Yo, what's up traders? It's your boy CFX. In today's video, guys, I wanna share with you guys the refined strategy that I now use from now on going forward. The strategy is mostly for swing traders and position traders, right? But you can always use it even if you're a day trader, guys. So without wasting time, let's jump into it. So now we're looking at a BTC USD on a monthly time frame. So what we can see, guys, we can see that now we are trading out of this low right here, right? I'll go ahead and mark this as my sell side liquidity on a monthly, name everything properly. Now we've got our monthly sell side liquidity, right? Okay, cool. Now we're gonna go ahead. What else do we see? We can see some sort of an order block right here, right? We'll go ahead and mark this as our monthly order block, right? Let's keep things like this so we always know why did we do this, what does it mean, right? And then now we can also see, guys, looking further back on the left, we can see that the price is currently taking out this high, right? So this now tells us that we are actually bullish, right? So let's go ahead and play the chart and see what's happening. There we go, the high was taken out, right? So we have now a broken high. Okay, cool. Without wasting any time, guys, when you look now closely on the chart, you can easily see that now we've got a monthly imbalance that was left behind right here. So we go ahead and mark this with the line. We use the trend line to mark this, and then next thing we want to do, we want to mark the low of our imbalance with a line as well. Okay, cool. So now we've got the imbalance, we've got our external range liquidity sitting here at the top, right? So we go ahead and mark everything accordingly. So this is what we have now. So then now we pull the Fibonacci tool, we mark the low, drag it to the top, so we can easily see our, spot our premium and discount zones, right? So now that we have this, what's next, guys, now is to pay attention to the price, right? So what I normally like to do, guys, I like to switch to a 1 day. Now let's see what's happening on the 1 day. So on a 1 day time frame, I'm gonna adjust everything back in place. You can see now this low of this the high of the imbalance is actually now sitting above our daily fair value gap, right? And then when you pay attention here, guys, on the low of the imbalance right here, you can easily spot our daily order block right there. So this daily order block now comes in handy for position trading, right? So now the high of the imbalance next to our order block, I'll go ahead and mark it as our inducement, right? I'll mark it as our inducement. This is for position trading, right? And then we'll still take some trades. On a daily time frame, take some opportunities there and there, but the overall mission is to get ourselves that sniper position trading entry, right? So then now we go ahead and mark this, name it accordingly. What am I doing? Okay, cool. This is our daily order block, bullish. This is our daily bullish order block, right? Now this is how the structure looks. But now, since now we've switched to a daily time frame, we can now spot that we've got a low right here. So we go ahead and mark that low, right? We go ahead and mark that low as our daily sell side liquidity, right? So now that we have a new daily sell side liquidity, what we're gonna do, we pull the Fibonacci tool now to this low, right? This low now invalidates this other low. For the price to reach to this low, it must first take out this low. So now we're gonna go ahead and mark this low here. So now our premium and discount is in line with the daily time frame, right? So now guys, this is what we're gonna do. What else can we see? This is the monthly key level, right? And our FEG. And then as you can see right here on the monthly key level and FEG, what else do we have, guys? We've got a couple of fair value gaps right here, right? We've got a couple of fair value gaps right here, but now the most favorable one will be the one next to an order block, right? So now let's go ahead and play the chart and see what's gonna happen. Okay, now we're trading into, now the price is traded into our monthly key level, which is a key level and an FEG, right? So what else can we see? We can see that as the price is displacing out of our monthly key level and FEG, it also gave us a daily imbalance right here. So we go ahead and mark this. This is now where we're taking some entries, right? Okay, we've got our daily imbalance right there. Okay, cool. And then we can see we are still at the premium zone, but now going back to the IRL ERL, we know that after rebalancing the imbalance, we're gonna be taking out the high or the low, something like that. So then now we go ahead and mark our external range liquidity, right? So this can be an entry, and then keeping the stop loss right below here, right below this candle right here, and targeting something like 2R, right? Let's see, can we frame 2R right here? There we go. We managed to frame ourselves a 2R. Yes. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and play the chart and see. We are tagged in. Let's see. TP smashed, right? Okay, this is just for your day trading, right? Yeah, so let's go ahead and name this accordingly. This is our daily ERL. It was taken out, but now we can see we've got another daily ERL right here, resting right here. It was taken out, right? So let's go ahead and leave it there. And then now we've got one trade, right? No loss. Okay, let's keep going. We want to look for some extra opportunities, right? Okay, cool. Now you're trading back into, basically here you can sell, but I don't want to focus on so many things at once. So now you can see, guys, we've traded inside our monthly key level and FEG, but we haven't really taken out this inducement right here, and our order block hasn't been tested and respected or disrespected. So we're not looking for entries yet, so we keep going. Okay, cool. You can see now also we've traded out of the monthly key level plus FEG, right? So what we can do here, guys, we can also frame an entry, but for now let me just leave that on, because the main focus of this video is for that position trading, right? Okay, let's go ahead and check. Okay, there we go. Let's now replay this a little bit. Okay guys, so basically after you've managed to identify all these factors, all these key components that I was mentioning, what you can do, you can set your limit order right here, right? Yeah, you put your entry right here. Make sure your stop loss is right below the daily order block that is resting below the monthly key level in FEG, and then target the external range liquidity on the monthly time frame. This is now a position trading type of an entry. Then you just let the market do what it does best, right? We are tagged, and then look at this. We are now trading out of the monthly key level in an FEG. Beautiful trade. Cheers guys, see you on the next one.